An outdoor deck storage box is an excellent addition to any patio furniture collection, and especially useful if you have a lot of barbecue equipment. A deck box can also be used as extra seating around a patio area, making them an especially useful outdoor decor item. There are many products available to choose deck storage boxes, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best outdoor deck storage boxes from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Keto Marvel Plus 71-gallon storage box. The Keto Marvel Plus 71-gallon deck box is another one of my favorite deck boxes. From a short distance, this deck box looks like it's made from natural hardwood. However, upon closer inspection, you'll notice that it's constructed from weather-resistant resin, which gives you the best of both worlds. No maintenance, cracking, peeling, or warping to worry about. With that much square footage, you'll have plenty of space for lawn gardening supplies, pool cleaning supplies, and much more. Unlike other deck boxes in this style, this deck box has a flat top with a 485-pound capacity. So this outdoor storage box doubles as a coffee table or serving station. You can even use it for extra seating, by adding furniture cushions into the mix. I also like that this new deck box has integrated handles, making it easy to move around the patio. This outdoor supplies box also comes in two colors, gray and brown. This storage bench also comes with a lockable lid and rollers, which gives you a lot of flexibility and peace of mind. Number 2. Westwood 150-gallon resin large deck box. If you like handsome design and a natural wood aesthetic, you'll enjoy the Keto Westwood 150-gallon resin deck box. From a short distance, this outdoor storage box looks like it's made from natural wood. Little will your guests know that it's constructed from weather-resistant resin. So while it has a natural look and texture, this resin deck box requires zero maintenance. This outdoor storage container provides ample space for lawn gardening tools, furniture cushions, and even sports equipment. I also like how easily the lid pops open thanks to the hydraulic pistons. These pistons also have an integrated soft close mechanism, which prevents slamming. So this outdoor storage deck box is ideal for those with children. This is one of the sturdiest outdoor storage deck boxes on the market today. It has a 150-gallon storage capacity, and the lid has a 660-pound weight capacity. Because of that, this sturdy box can double as extra seating, or even double as a serving table or coffee table. Number 3. Lifetime 150-gallon outdoor storage deck box. The Lifetime 150-gallon deck box earns solid ratings for its massive storage capacity, rugged build, and handsome exterior. If you have a lot of clutter, this may be the best deck box for you. In addition to being sturdy, this deck box is also good looking. I like that it is available in 4 color choices: brown, sand, white, and gray, so it blends in with various patio spaces. I also like that the exterior has integrated handles and a slatted faux wood finish. The lid of this large deck box has a controlled spring hinge, which extends beyond the usual 90 degrees. This is convenient, especially when loading bulky patio cushions and cumbersome gardening tools. Number 4. Lifetime HeavyDuty outdoor storage deck box. The Lifetime Extra Large deck box is nearly identical to a sibling, the Lifetime 60012, with one exception: it's slightly smaller. Despite its no-frills design, this outdoor storage deck box does offer a few conveniences. This Lifetime Products deck box is made from rigid dual wool, high-density polyethylene, so it's tough, all-weather resistant, and won't crack or require maintenance. I like that the lid of this large deck box has a controlled spring hinge, which extends beyond the usual 90 degrees. This is convenient, especially when loading bulky patio cushions and cumbersome gardening equipment. Thanks to its ample size and flat top, this storage container is wide and tall enough to double as a makeshift patio table or a serving station for drinks and food. The lid is thick and sturdy enough to sit on too. I also like that this large deck box comes with a lockable lid and is available in 4 colors: desert sand, brown desert sand, white and gray. Number 5. Lifetime 130-gallon extra large deck box. The Lifetime 60012 extra large deck box lands at the top of the list thanks to its consumer-friendly price, ample storage capacity, and no-nonsense design. This deck box is made from rigid dual wool, high-density polyethylene, so it's tough, all-weather resistant, and won't require maintenance. I like that the lid of this large deck box has a controlled spring hinge, which extends beyond the usual 90 degrees. This storage container is wide enough to double as a makeshift patio table or a serving station for drinks and food. The lid is thick and sturdy enough to sit on too. This is convenient, especially when loading bulky patio cushions and cumbersome gardening tools. The lid is thick and sturdy enough to sit on too. I also like that this large deck box comes with a lockable lid and is available in 4 colors: desert sand, brown desert sand, white and gray. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.